So when we get a nice sunny day, as we know, your mobile phone, well, you can't really see it in the sunlight when you're trying to use the controller. So what I've come up with is a very simple method, which is you just simply grab a bit of cardboard, you basically cut the width of your mobile phone, which we'll do here very quickly. Just round off the ends. And I found by rounding it, it works a bit better. We're going to curl this over a fraction as well, so just over the edge will do it. So basically, just so we got a little bit of a curve on the end. Now we'll put the phone in position. I've got quite a large phone. It's the Samsung Galaxy A70. So it's a big phone. What you want is your piece of cardboard to slide in, so it'll fit in between the controller and your mobile phone. You want it to actually curl just on the back a fraction, so I think I need to move this back a fraction more. Just give it a little bit of clearance there. And try it again. There we go. So as you can see, that's quite large at the moment, and if you try to use your controls, you'll notice your thumbs get caught on the cardboard. So what you need to do is cut out a couple of little divots where your thumb goes. So we'll have a bit of fun with this. I'll just position this a bit more. I want it to go through. I want it to go through like that onto the back, so it's actually gripping a bit. I'll pull that out, and give or take about there, I think. Just roughly where you think the thumbs will go. Give yourself a bit of room. And we'll trial it again by popping it in. And it's just a matter of positioning it so that you can get your thumbs through. So by cutting out the pieces there, you then can bend it down just a fraction, and you've actually got yourself a sunshade. And what I've done is, with the other one, I've actually painted it black. I've actually shaped it a little bit better than that. That's just a quick setup so you can see how easy it works. And yeah, it works really nice. As you can see, it's a bit hard to see the actual takeoff screen for the DJI. So this is where this black thing comes in handy. Just simply slot it in position, pop it in like so, and all of a sudden you can see. So it works quite well. There's plenty of room to get your thumb on the top, as you can see the holes there. Right, plenty of room, and it works as a great little sunshade. So it's a nifty little toy, as they say. A bit hard to see there, I suppose. Maybe I'll bring it in a bit better. There you go. You can actually see quite clearly there. So it's quite bright at the moment, and I can fly with that quite easily. Not a problem. And it works brilliant. Save you a heap of dough. Thanks for watching. If you find the video useful, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon, select all, and you'll be notified of my very next upload, whatever it happens to be. All the best, till next time.